the Philippines now. We can say she's superstar already. But dito kasi, we don't have that much of GMA Pinoy. Most of us have TFC. But when you go to the Philippines, she's really famous. That's why I have my adopted daughter here, Mariti, who I can say no. Okay, she approached me, Tita, I have to produce and you have to be my land producer. Sabi ko, ayan na naman. Okay, I said yes, and it will happen on May 25, and I hope we will support our fellow awardee. Kahit isa or dalawang ticket lang sa inyo. Okay, let us support our fellow awardee because part of the proceeds will go to Philippine Children's Charities, our 501c3. So, we will support her, and we will bring, Julian is coming 1 week before the show. We will iikot tayo, one Mayflower, and then we will go to Noy Pits and other restaurants and other places. Yung mga sponsors, we're getting sponsors right now, and we have sponsors already. This early, meron na kaming top 10 sponsors already. So, kailangan lang namin ng tulong nyo sa bentahan ng ticket. Okay, kung malalaki, we're giving incentive, right? If you sell a lot of tickets, we will give incentive. How many percent? 20%, yeah. Okay, 20%. So, the same thing with the advertisement, right? 20%. So, para makilala natin si Julian, probably, we will have a press con. We will invite all of you to be there at the press conference. It's free press conference. You don't have to pay, but you have to pay at the concert. The concert is different because this girl is, she dance, she raps, she compose, magaling talaga. Talagang siya sa dance floor. Gusto niya maging party ang kanyang concert. Hindi yung nakaupo tayo, there will be dancing, there will be merong drinking, may bar sa likod. It's more pop. So, let's feel young that night. It's Beyond the Stars. So, nagpa-set up lang ako ng 300 or 350 chairs. And then most of the guys, and marami mga kids na fans dito eh. That will be, magsasayawan sila doon. They want to dance. So, we set up only about 400 chairs, right? 300. The rest will be standing towards the bar, diba? So, let's support. This is the first venture of our friend here, Mariti. Mariti, say ayaw na, tingnan mo. Sabi niya, Tita, ikaw ang producer, hindi ako. Sa likod na ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, okay, I cannot say no to you. So, when Julian comes 1 week before, we will have a press conference. We will invite all of you to come. Okay? Can we invite you? You will be there at the press conference. We are doing it at the Celebrity Center. I'm just taking yung date when it's available. So, she's definitely coming, huh? Okay, so May 25, 1 week before May 25.
It was already announced on TV.
They're announcing it at GMA already. So here, kamukha siya ni Marian Rivera. You know? She's only 19 years old and she's so sexy. She sings really good.
Magalona.
Elmo Magalona. Oh, Elmo Magalona is the lab team. And minsan mag-umpisa na ng teleserye to. Yeah, she's starting a teleserye for GMA. Kasi alam mo naman, pagka sumisikat, panay na panay yan. Kaya, so let's support the BPP, the Press Club. We have a diversity magazine here, Mr. Steven Escobar. Okay? Steven Escobar is from the Diversity Magazine, ladies and gentlemen. Mainstream. He's here to cover the event. And let's give a big hand to Steven Escobar. And of course, one of our awardee and one of the veteran writer, Mr. Romy Borje. Tito Romy. Thank you. And of course, mamaya na i-announce yung mga ibang awardee. But I would like to thank the PPP USA, Press Photographers Philippine USA, for helping me do this project. Actually, project nila to. Tinulungan ko lang sila. Okay? So, right now, we are so lucky because Tony Elias should have joined us today, but it is her wife's birthday. So, out of town sila. I think they're going to Acapulco, Mexico. But then, he has a letter that I want to read later on pag dumating na yung mga bisita because some of them said they're coming at 3 o'clock, beyond 3 o'clock. So, we'll start the program after pagdating nila. So, ngayon, he gave $25,000. He matched the 1 million that we gave to Gawad Kalinga. I just want all of you to know that there is 7 houses being built in Palawan. Okay, that's why me and Tito Ellie is planning to go to the Philippines, to go to Palawan, because they're hosting a welcome party for me para daw makita ko yung bahay na tinatayo for the outstanding. Kasi sabi ko sa Gawad Kalinga, my goal is to build 100 houses for the 100 outstanding Filipino Americans. So I really want to move on. Kahit na anong project, I will accept as long as they will donate to Philippine charities, and at the same time, Philippine charities will give it to Gawad Kalinga. But then Tony Olaes is requesting we also give Bantay Bata. But sabi ko, it depends on the executive committee who will be handling this year's outstanding Filipino Americans, because you know of what happened. Yeah, I don't want to mention it, but we just move on. We are victorious anyway. We were able to give $2 million, 2 million pesos, 1 million to Gawad Kalinga, and 1 million to, and then the house is being built. You should be proud, the awardees, because sa harap ng bahay na tinatayo sa Palawan, nakalagay doon 100 outstanding Filipino Americans in the USA 2012. So, mangingilabot kayo pag nakalagay ang pangalan doon. Kasi bawat bahay na tinatayo, mayroon palang nakalagay doon sa harapan kung sino nag-donate. So, biro mo 7 houses, and then probably if we will be successful again this year, we can build another 10 houses. Then, sunod-sunod na yun, di ba? Puro outstanding Filipino Americans, 2012, 2013, and so forth. As long na nakakalakad ako. Kasi kanina umaga, I felt really bad because of arthritis probably. That's why I had to drink 4 Advils already just to stand up in front of you today and cook some of the food, okay? So ngayon, ang isa pang achievement natin, we were able, the first time that a copybook table is coming out. You know, we are distributing the copybook to each awardee tonight. So just hold on, because meron tayong mga picture taking when we give the book today. So, ang ganda ng libro, it's really blood, sweat, and tears, and I hope you will enjoy the book. The first time that a copybook table was published in Los Angeles for the first time. Ngayon lang nagkaroon ng copybook table. And I am proud when you see the book. You are an awardee. When you see yourself in the book, you will feel proud. It is already a keepsake, and you can be proud to show it to your families. Yung mga anak nyo, pag lumaki, I'm one of the 100 outstanding awardees, so here is the book, and then they will be proud of you. So, palakpakan natin tayong lahat. So, let us